Good evening. How are you?
I am fine, madam. And how about you?
Okay. I'm good as well. Thank you for asking. All right. So, should we quickly talk about a session document?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And you can please call me Raunak. You don't have to call me ma'am.
Ma'am,
You don't have to call me ma'am. You can call me Raunak.
Raunak. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, for today, our session topic is risk. Is that something cool for you to talk about?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. So, please tell me, are you a risk taker?
Yes, madam. I am a risk taker
Okay. And why are you such a person? Why do you take risks?
because it's a courageous topic. It's we take a risk. Sometimes we learn in that situation. So it would be better to take a risk. And life is also risk. So
Hmm.
taking risks is my habit actually.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. And all right. Can you see the chat option as well?
Yes.
I've sent
Sorry,
you
ma'am.
a word. I've sent you a word in the chat. Can you read it?
Risk. Risk.
Risk.
Risk.
Okay. What you are saying is this. Okay. What I am saying is this. So there's a difference, right? So what I want you to say is the sir sound first and then the k sound. Risk.
Risk.
Yes.
Risk. Yes.
Yes. And when you're saying this alone as a word, you are saying it perfectly fine. But when you're using it
Oh,
in the sentence, you are saying something else. You are saying risk, the second one
ah,
that I said.
yeah.
Okay. Yes. So
Okay.
you
Sometimes
can
it's wrong pronunciation.
yes, the
Okay.
pronunciation sometimes goes a little off, but it's okay. You can speak slowly, but say risk. Okay. Don't say anything else.
Risk.
Say
Okay.
risk.
Okay. Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, all right. So you say that life is also a risk. What makes you say so?
Uh, what makes
What makes you say that? What makes you think so? Why do you think life is a risk as well?
because no, we don't know what happened before an hour ago. Who
Hmm.
knows? So
Hmm.
it is risk. Each and every time we get a risk, it is a good for us.
Hmm.
Okay, no matter what will happen in our future, because we are a human being. Okay,
Hmm.
day to day life, maybe something good or something maybe
Hmm.
bad happen. So
Hmm.
each and every day, uh, get a risk, new challenges, new goals, better goals.
Hmm.
If we fulfill our risks, then we won. We reach our goal. And
Hmm.
if it not if it not happen and we
Hmm.
get uh, fall, okay,
Hmm.
if we lose, then in
Hmm.
that situation we get experience from our
Hmm.
risks or our life. So it
Hmm.
would be better to
Hmm.
take a risk. And life is also challenging. That's why I'm saying that
Hmm.
life is also
Hmm.
risk.
Hmm. Okay. All right. And yeah, you have something else as well to say? Go ahead.
No.
Okay, I thought you were saying. So, all right. You are still not saying risk. You're saying something else. Okay. So, I want you to think a little more before you say risk. Okay. Also, you can
Okay.
watch the recording later and you can see how many times you said the other
Risk.
word. This is not a word actually. Yes. You
Okay.
need to say risk. Okay. And also, I should correct you whenever I find something wrong, right?
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Okay. So, another thing is that you said you don't know what happened 1 hour ago, something like that. But what you wanted to say was you don't know what happens 1 hour from now. Okay. You don't know what
Okay.
happens the next moment, right? Like
Next one.
that's generally how we say it. You can say
Okay.
you don't know what happens 1 hour after 1 hour from now. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, that's why yeah. You never know what happens in life, so yes, it's a little tricky to be alive, I feel. But yeah, okay. So yeah, and so as you said, we need to take risks as well. You are also a risk taker. So what do you think are the advantages of taking risks?
Yeah, yes. It
The
means
success.
I reach my goal. Okay. And if I fall down, if I lose it, in that
Hmm.
situation, I learn something new from that trick.
Hmm.
Okay. There is
Hmm.
two things happen. One, if we uh, we reach our goals in that situation, we
Hmm.
already uh, reach our goal and we reach our success. And if
Hmm.
not, then in that situation, we get experience from that trick. So these
Hmm.
the two things, and another one is always risk taker is good than uh, normal life because
Hmm.
something uh, something is good than nothing.
Hmm.
Okay, something is better than nothing.
Hmm. Right.
ना करने से करना अच्छा है.
Hmm.
Something is
Right.
better.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay,
True.
so
Right.
risk taker is favorite.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right. Just one thing. You said risk taker is good than a normal person. Okay.
Normal,
So,
normal.
hmm. Good. Than a person who doesn't take risks. Okay. Let's say a non-risk taker. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes,
So here you are comparing two people. One person who takes risks, one person who doesn't take risks. Takes risks.
yes, yes.
Doesn't take risks. So when you're comparing, so you will not say he is good than the other person. When we are comparing,
Other,
he is better, good, better, best, right? The
okay,
comparative degree of adjectives. Yes. So we will say that a risk taker is better than a person who doesn't take risks. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So better was the word that should have been used. All right. So okay, you told me about the advantages of taking risks. Right? There are several advantages of taking risks, but there must be some disadvantages as well, right?
Okay.
So would you like
Disadvantages.
to would you like to tell me some disadvantages?
This risk taking. Sometimes
Hmm.
if I will take risks related to finance, so
Hmm.
in that situation, if I got a loss, so
Hmm.
it's very difficult for me surviving in the future life. So
Hmm.
in a particular section means is a finance section or it's related to relationship section, relationship. So in
Hmm.
that type of risk is maybe difficult to taking because if we get false, we get lose. So life would be difficult in future.
Hmm.
So I think these are disadvantages. Risk
Right, right. So people must take calculated risks, right? So we should
calculated. Yes.
first see what is the best case scenario, what is the worst case scenario, and then we should make our decision upon that risk.
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. Okay. And so you said that you're a person who takes a lot of risks. So what is the riskiest activity that you've done?
Marriage.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was the risk?
I say marriage.
Oh, the fact that you got married was the riskiest activity. Oh my God. I hope your wife doesn't listen to this.
It's a jokes apart actually. It's a
Yeah.
jokes apart. Actually, I'm a small risk taker. I'm
Hmm,
day to day life. Each and every time I take a risk. Now I
hmm,
join Clapingo. It's also
hmm,
risk for me
hmm,
because
hmm,
ever like I am a fond of learning English, but
hmm.
I am a one particular Marathi medium student. I
Okay.
learn in Marathi medium schools,
Hmm,
so I'm not fluent in English.
hmm,
But now I joined
hmm,
because I want to give us
hmm,
environment surrounding for my son.
hmm,
So that's why I take a risk and
hmm,
learn it. And each and every day I learn new things.
hmm,
It may be a sketching, it may be
hmm,
a uh, stitching,
hmm,
different things. I
hmm,
on daily. Nowadays I say I taking risks to learn English.
hmm,
It's a fast activity actually.
hmm, hmm. Okay, okay. Alright. So that's great that you are a person who's fond of learning. So that's awesome. And I've read at a few places that if you keep learning, you will never grow old. So
Yeah,
that's great, right? You are always learning. So that's awesome.
thank you.
And okay,
Ma'am,
so
can I ask one thing? Can I
yes,
can I
please.
ask one thing? Ma'am,
Yes, please.
actually I have a YouTube channel and I want to put this video on my YouTube
Hmm.
channel. So can I
Okay.
get permission from your side?
Yeah, you have to take permission from Clapingo. I cannot tell
Yes, yes,
whether you can post
yes,
it.
yes.
Yes, you can take.
I will put
You
the request.
can,
I will put the request, but it is my responsibility to ask you first.
yes, yes, yes. Okay. I don't mind. I don't mind. It's up to Clapingo. Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And
So,
one more thing I want to ask you. Where are you from, ma'am?
where am I from? I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Look, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
And you're from Maharashtra, right?
Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Jalgaon. Okay, okay. I've heard this place's name earlier. I don't remember where, but
Jalgaon.
yes.
You never been Jalgaon?
No, I've
You
never been to
most of the
Jalgaon.
UP and MP from the people come in Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Okay, I have been to Mumbai. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Uh,
So is Jalgaon in Mumbai?
no, no, Jalgaon is a district of Maharashtra. One
Yes,
district
yes.
of Maharashtra.
Right. Okay. Very recently I visited Mumbai, but I have not visited Jalgaon.
Ajanta, Leni, and the road is near about Jalgaon. In Jalgaon.
Okay. 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 So you can say all these places are near Jalgaon. Not near
Yes,
about, near Jalgaon. Yes.
near.
Okay. All right. So, yeah. And okay, we've discussed the comparative degree. Okay, you said that I learned in Marathi. Uh,
Vernacular Marathi.
okay, okay. So you can say I am from a vernacular medium school. So you can say that. Yes. And you said it may be a teaching. Like when you say that I like learning and I.
Stitching,
Hmm.
stitching clothes, stitching.
Okay, stitching. Okay. Oh wow, you know stitching as well. That's so cool. So,
Yes.
it's okay. Stitching was fine, but you don't have to put an article before that. So you don't want to
Uh,
say a.
uh,
You can just say it may be stitching, it may be something else. Okay. So you said it may be a stitching, but a is not required. It may be stitching, it may be something else as well. Yes.
okay.
So that's fine. Also, what I feel is that as you said that you've taken a risk to join Clapingo and to learn English. So I don't think learning anything will be risky. I feel.
No,
Um,
no, actually, learning a new thing is not a risk for me, but actually it gets finance actually because I
okay.
am a family person. So nowadays it is a days to learning my means uh, I say actually these days are my son's days. He is now growing and he is
Hmm,
now
hmm, hmm.
it is my responsibility to fulfill his requirement now, but instead of his I am putting on all monies on my education. So
Hmm, hmm.
managing all those things and getting and it is how can
You want to say it's not 100% sure that I'll get the outcome, the desired outcome.
outcome so still even though I joined Clapingo,
Hmm,
okay, because wise is conversation is
hmm,
good and it is a
hmm,
this practice is good for
hmm,
me
hmm.
to be a fluent like you.
Okay. So, can you read this word in the chat box?
Which one, ma'am?
The last word that I've sent in the chat.
Conversation,
Yes, we say
conversation,
conversation.
conversation,
Yes,
conversation.
yes.
Yes, yes.
So the O will have this O sound, conversation. Okay.
Conversation.
Hmm. But if it is written like this,
converse.
Yes, here it will be converse, but the first one will be conversation. Okay,
Converse.
so with the change in word, the stress shifts and the sounds differ. Okay, all right. So I would like to ask you this question. So since you said that this is a risk, right, that you subscribe to Clapingo, so do you think there was the learning, the desired learning outcome? Have you gotten that? Are you seeing some
Yes,
changes in your spoken English?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
In
okay,
future,
that's great.
I will also join new course on Clapingo
Hmm.
in future.
That is great. Like, if you're seeing the result, then you should continue, definitely.
Yes,
So,
yes.
and I'm glad that this risk turned out to be successful, right? This had a
Thank you,
positive impact on your learning. That's great.
thank you, thank you.
Okay. So since our session is almost about to get auto cut now, any doubts or queries from your side? Anything that you want to ask?
Actually, no doubt I have, but I want to some techniques to improve English. Maybe
Okay, you want to know
because
some techniques.
yes, yes,
Okay.
maybe a bit.
So, yes. So, as I said earlier, that when you are normally speaking, you are using the word risk fine. You're saying it fine. But when you are in a sentence, you are saying something else. Okay. So, it is okay to speak slowly in the beginning, right? You are just learning the language. So, it's okay to speak slowly, but you should speak correctly.